Hello and welcome to Odisha Post Live. You're watching the news roundup with Lopita. Talking about the top stories. The civic body in Bhubaneswar sealed a branch of State Bank of India at Shriya Square in Kharbal Nagar area for the next 4 days starting from Thursday, as many of its staff have contracted COVID-19 infection, a BMC official informed. The SBI office here was specialized branch and centralized pension processing center CCPC as well, the official expressed. The Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation Thursday also sealed the judicial complex at Lewis Road here for a period of 7 days starting from 29th of April. Informing about the move, the BMC South East Zone issued an order Thursday. Amid rising cases of COVID-19, the State Health and Family Welfare Department Wednesday decided to give incentives to healthcare professionals across Odisha. An official circular was issued by Deputy Secretary to the State Government, Mamta Barik, in the afternoon. In view of the rising cases of COVID-19 in the states, the survey of social and educational conditions of people belonging to backward classes has been held up. The survey was scheduled to begin from 1st of May. The Odisha State Commission for Backward Classes Thursday informed this by issuing an order. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot Thursday said he has tested positive for COVID-19. The 69-year-old Congress leader had isolated himself Wednesday after his wife Sunita had tested positive. My COVID-19 test report too came positive today. I have no symptoms and I am feeling fine. I will continue working while in isolation, following all COVID-19 protocols, the Chief Minister said in a tweet in Hindi. The Delhi High Court Thursday asked the centre as to why Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra were given more oxygen than they asked for, while Delhi's allocation was not increased as per the request of the AAP government. The query was put to the centre by a bench of Justices Vipin Sanghi and Rekha Palli, which during the hearing say the central government has to either show some justification for this or make amends now that the situation has been brought to its attention. Social media giant Facebook Thursday said it had temporarily blocked a hashtag calling for the Prime Minister's resignation by mistake and that it wasn't done on government orders. The development comes amid reports that social media companies are being asked to remove posts that are critical of the government's handling of the coronavirus pandemic. As India's healthcare system is finding it harder to cope with the rising COVID-19 cases due to the second wave of the pandemic, the American government has advised its nationals to return to the US. The Department of State issued the highest level travel advisory asking US citizens not to travel to India or to leave as soon as it is safe to do so. The UN team in India is supporting the country's authorities to respond to the COVID-19 pandemic by providing critical supplies, and its agencies are procuring thousands of oxygen concentrators, oxygen generating plants and other essential equipments, as well as helping set up mobile hospital units, a spokesperson for the UN chief said. On the other hand, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Wei Thursday promised to do the utmost in supporting India's fight against the COVID-19 surge and said that anti-pandemic materials produced in China were entering India at a faster pace. In a letter to External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, Wang said that the Chinese side shares empathy for the challenges facing in India and expresses sincere sympathy. That's all in today's bulletin. You were watching the news roundup by Odisha Post Live.